Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bootice to format USB. First, download and launch the Bootice application, which is typically a small, portable executable file. You will then see its main interface, presenting various disk management options. This initial step is crucial for preparing your system to begin the formatting process. Remember, Bootice offers robust control over your storage devices, making it a valuable tool for advanced users and system administrators alike. Once Bootice is open, locate the Physical Disk drop-down menu at the top of the window. It is absolutely critical to select the correct USB drive here. Double-check the drive's capacity and any recognizable labels to ensure you are not selecting your main hard drive or another important storage device. Taking an extra 10 seconds to confirm your selection can save you from significant data loss and frustration. With your USB drive selected, click on the Parts Manage button. This will open a new window where you can manage partitions. Here, you will find the Format this part option. Choose your preferred file system, such as FAT32 for wider compatibility or NTFS for larger file support. You can also set a volume label and adjust the cluster size. After reviewing your settings, click Start to initiate the formatting, which usually takes only a few moments. Beyond basic formatting, Bootice provides advanced features like Fill with Zero for a more secure data wipe, ensuring old data is unrecoverable. You can also modify the master boot record or partition boot record, which is essential for creating bootable USB drives. Once the formatting process is finished, close Bootice and safely remove your USB drive from the computer. Finally, confirm the drive's new format and capacity through your operating system's File Explorer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.